Ever been all pumped to queue up for a competitive game in Valorant, only to be hit with that soul-crushing Vanguard, not initialized message, an error code van? It's truly one of the most frustrating things, isn't it? You just want to jump into a match with your friends, maybe even climb a rank or two, but instead you're stuck staring at a pop-up, feeling completely locked out of the action. That sense of dread, wondering if you'll ever get to play again, is something most of us gamers have felt at some point. But don't you worry, you're definitely not alone in this, and more importantly, this isn't a permanent roadblock. Today, we're going to dive into the most effective and straightforward solutions to banish ban for good, getting you back into the game and clutching those rounds in no time. Get ready to fix this pesky error and reclaim your Valorant experience. Kicking things off with the age-old fix that often works wonders, a simple restart. It might sound too basic, but often Vanguard just needs a fresh start to initialize properly after a system glitch or a background update. Powering down and booting back up clears any temporary conflicts and allows all your system services, including Vanguard, to load correctly from scratch. Seriously, give your full restart before trying anything more complex. You'd be surprised how often this does the trick. Next up, let's make sure Vanguard service is actually running as it should be. Head into your task manager, then navigate to the Services tab and look for it. If it's not running, or if it looks stuck, right-click on it and choose to restart the service. This manual kickstart can often resolve van by giving Vanguard the gentle nudge it needs to get its anti-cheat operations flowing smoothly again. Sometimes the Vanguard installation itself can become corrupted, leading to the dreaded van. When that happens, the clean reinstall is your best bet. Go into your control panel, find Riot Vanguard, and uninstall. After a quick restart of your launch Valorant again, and the game will prompt you to reinstall Vanguard automatically. This ensures you're running the latest uncorrupted version, which often completely fixes the initialization issue. Finally, let's look at potential external interferences. Outdated graphics drivers or other software running in the background can sometimes clash with Vanguard. Take a moment to update your graphics drivers to the latest version, and also consider temporarily disabling any other security software or overlays that might be running. These steps help ensure that Vanguard has a clear, unobstructed path to initialize and do its job without any unexpected digital elbows getting in the way.